Hello there guys, I'm Sriniket from KPH MOTO. You're watching KM Para Vlogs, and in today's video, let's discuss regarding auxiliary lights or fog lamps as we commonly know in India. If you're remotely thinking about long distance touring, especially at night or commuting at night on Indian roads, installing a good pair of auxiliary lights and mounting them in an appropriate position becomes very important because of the extremely unpredictable conditions on our Indian roads. Simply opting for the biggest and brightest fog lamps is not enough. You need to mount these lights on your motorcycle at such a location so that their throw and the spread is not hampered by any other part of the motorcycle. Usually people mount those fog lamps, those lights on the engine guard, the crash guard, but the throw and spread is largely hampered because of the tank shrouds and the front wheel. So ideally you must mount these lights as further ahead of the motorcycle as possible. Considering all of these points, I'm glad to announce that today we are launching the KPH MOTO LX series fog lamp mounts for the BS4, 6 and BS3, Apache 160 and 240. Let me show you this product in detail. First, let me show you what all will you get inside the box when you order the kit from us. Inside the box, so this is the bracket, the right hand side and the left hand side, and these are the required fasteners. So you will be getting a long stainless steel bolt. It is a very high quality and a high strength bolt, a washer and a nut and a spacer. And these are the brackets, the KPH MOTO fog lamp mounts, which will be mounted like this on the motorcycle. So now let me show you how to install these mounts on the motorcycle so that you can perfectly mount your auxiliary lamps on the Apache series. The KPH MOTO fog lamp mounts are directly compatible with the BS6, BS4 and BS3 Apache 200 and the Apache 164V. The mounting, the installation is super easy. You just need to spot a couple of bolts below the headlamp assembly. One on the right side, the 10mm bolt, and one on the left side of the motorcycle. It's exactly the same for the BS6 and BS4 motorcycles. Now let me show you the sequence of installation of the parts in this assembly. First of all, this is the right hand side of the KPH MOTO fog lamp mount. First will go this long bolt, after that a washer. Then we'll be inserting it through this hole. This is not a hole, this is a slot. So basically because of this slot, we can adjust the entire bracket front or back according to the motorcycle. Then behind this bracket will go this spacer. This nut will be installed at the later stage. So first we will be inserting this bolt and tightening it into the original mount of the headlamp of the motorcycle. And this is how we'll be mounting the bracket onto the motorcycle. So this is how the motorcycle looks after installation of the KPH MOTO fog lamp mounts. I've also installed the ones on the left side of the motorcycle. Let me show you the assembly once again, the sequence. Regarding the build quality, the fog lamp mounts have been made with super thick steel with high quality powder coating for zero vibrations from the road or the engine of the motorcycle. And regarding the compatibility with different auxiliary lamps, these are the HJG 60 watt 4x4s. These are pretty decently sized fog lamps for a motorcycle of this size. So I've mounted them on the first position, the position closer to the headlamp of the motorcycle. And still I have a decent amount of flexibility with the mounting of these lamps. Now if I want to install larger size lights on the motorcycle, I have a secondary position like this. So they are farther out and won't foul with the headlamp cowl or the tank shroud of the motorcycle. On the screen you can see the HJG 120 watt Mercedes projector lamps installed on these fog lamp mounts, and they simply do not foul with the motorcycle. Additionally, you can also mount these lights upside down according to your liking and the look of the motorcycle. Even if you turn the motorcycle lock to lock, the lights do not foul with the tank shroud irrespective of the size of the fog lamps. The wire has been installed loosely right now just for demonstration. How to order all of these accessories from us, like the fog lamp mounts, the KPH MOTO touring windshield or the handlebar riser for the Apache 204V. You simply need to log into Instagram and search KPH_MOTO_. You'll get our page. Simply DM us your motorcycle, the make and the model and the type, the BS4, 6 or 3, and we'll get back to you. Regarding the pricing, the KPH MOTO LX series fog lamp mounts are priced at 950 rupees including shipping. We have an exciting offer for existing users of the KPH MOTO accessories. If you have already ordered any kind of accessory from KPH MOTO like the visor or the handlebar riser kit, simply mention it while reaching out to us and we'll definitely help you out with additional discounts on the fog lamp mounts. Today is 7th of October. This offer is only valid till 12th of October. So hurry up, order them as soon as possible. We'll be glad to help you out. So I hope you like this video and this new accessory which we have launched today. If yes, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right away for plenty more touring related accessories and videos coming your way. Now, the front end of the motorcycle is completely accessorized with all the KPH Moto accessories available. What about the tail section? A lot of you guys have been eagerly waiting for the launch of the top rack from KPH Moto. Worry not, it is launching very soon. Stay tuned on the channel for that. Always wear a helmet while riding and a seatbelt while driving. I'll see you next time. Take care.